In 2014, some Intech-type vertical crankshaft twin-cylinder engines began to use a sealant in place of a paper gasket for the crankcase sump. As a result, the sump may be challenging to remove. Vanguard V-twin engines have pry points that assist in splitting the cases, but the Intech-style engine does not. The 19621 Sump and Flywheel puller was introduced to hopefully prevent the frustrated technician from driving a chisel or screwdriver between the case halves to separate them. The tool consists of a steel U-channel, 2 pieces of threaded rod, a couple of bolts, and a few washers and nuts. The body of the tool is a U-channel with a series of holes bored through it. The threaded rod is installed through the hole in each end, and a washer and nut are loosely installed. Remove the engine from the equipment and any attachments from the crankshaft. Then drain the engine oil. Set the bar on the end of the crankshaft with the open part of the U facing away from the engine. Here's a tip. Remove the spark plugs and valve covers. Turn the engine over until the valve spring tension is removed from the rockers. This will make the sump easier to remove and be less likely to disturb the cam gear. Find the engine mounting holes in the sump that will allow the puller bar to be centered over the crankshaft. Slide the rods through the mounting holes and install a washer and nut. Run the nuts at the bar end of the puller down until snug, making sure the bar is parallel to the engine mounting plane. Evenly tighten the nuts until the seal at the sump is broken. 3 series of holes along the U-channel match up to the bolt spread on the 19069, 19165, and 19203 flywheel pullers used on the rest of the Briggs & Stratton engine line.